you've been getting quite into Claude Code and then also using OpenClaw and creating all of these different kinds of agents and now kind of taking AI to the next level. Can you tell me tell me a little bit about that and how
Yeah,
you're using it?
absolutely. So, I mean, let's leave out all the hype. Let's leave out
Hmm.
all the shenanigans of these companies. Cloud Code is genuinely good. It's a genuine improvement on whatever we were doing on the
Hmm.
coding front up until recently, right? So in the past, we were writing code, like we would sit down and write the code and create lots of different, individual programs that will all work together, etc. Then came large language models that will help us write individual pieces of code better. So if you take
Hmm.
one piece of code and give it to the large language model and say, can you fix it? It'll fix it or it'll improve it, give it
Hmm.
back to you. You can use it, right? Claude Code is more orchestrated. You tell it like, hey, I want to build like an application, to track all my customers or something like that, who
Yeah,
come to my shop or who come to my website. It'll go and write a front end. It'll have an agent writing the back end. It'll have an agent creating the database. Then all of those agents will make mistakes. They'll all talk to each other. They'll fix the mistakes, and then they'll give you something that's working. And it's really, really
it's
exciting.
incredible.
It's absolutely fantastic to watch when it works. So that's what we've been sort of working with.
And do you think that you have to be somebody who understands coding to be able to take advantage of this?
Uh, so there is the OpenClaw, which is the other tool, which is not as coding focused,
Hmm.
where this guy Peter Steinberger has made this tool that'll actually has people have written all sorts of agents that'll go and purchase tickets for you, etc. So you don't need to know coding to use OpenClaw. You don't even need to use know coding to use Claude Code, but you need to be able to use terminal GUIs. They look ugly,
Hmm.
right? So, it's like your old DOS terminal, MS-DOS terminal.
What does a terminal do? I can't picture this at
So,
all.
so yeah, so it's like if you see some movie, right? Like, and in the
Uh-huh.
movie, they'll have like this screen with a lot of text just going up, 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 right? Like, somebody's
Hmm.
typing furiously and the text goes up, up, up. That's how we used to talk to computers before. That's how coders talk to the computers. They mostly communicate in text, and large language models are good with text, and
Hmm.
therefore they found out that a terminal GUI user interface is the best way or the fastest way to bring something cool to the market.